One day, a wealthy man comes to Rav Levi Yitzchak of Berdichov and tells him, Rabbi, I really don't understand. In the Shema, it says, Ishameru lachem pen yifteh levavchem, be careful. Maybe your heart will stray and you'll serve other gods and you will not keep my mitzvot. I will stop the rain, God says, as a response, and you will not be able to benefit of the fruit of your labor. So to that, he says, I don't understand. I'm the wealthiest man of the city and I don't do anything. How come? Rav Levi Yitzchak of Berdichov asks him, but tell me, have you ever recited the Shema once in your life? You're asking me a question from the Shema. He says, of course. Every Jew has recited at least once the Shema. Rav Levi Yitzchak answered, you have to know that there's not enough gold and silver and not enough money in the whole world to pay you for one time that you read the Shema. When you do a mitzvah, it's worth more than all the gold in the world. So what are you waiting for?